Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to see that what are the benefits a Saudi person or a non-Saudi is getting from General Organization of Social Insurance. As you know that in our earlier video, we know that the Gosi is charging some sort of percentage from the Saudi employees and the expatriates. So why they are charging this money from us? So this is we are going to see today that what are the benefits we are getting when we are paying this amount to the General Organization of Social Insurance in Saudi Arabia. So let's start with the beginning that what benefits are for the Saudis when they are getting injured during their employment. So medical care benefits, if a Saudi person is going to get injury while he was working, then it includes several medical treatment benefits, including checkups, medicines, and complete diagnosis of the medical issue. So the Gosi will be liable to cover all the benefits, his medical treatment, until he will recover from that injury. So the Gosi has to bear these all expenses of medical for the Saudi guy. The next, daily allowance benefit for the Saudis. If there is a temporary disability, like a Saudi person, he was working and he got a temporary disability during his work. So it could be 100% or 75% till the recovery of temporary disability, till he joined the duty. So 100% his salary or the 75% according to his situation. So the Gosi will pay him monthly this amount until he will recover from this temporary disability. The next is permanent disability. So the Gosi will be liable in case of permanent disability, monthly payment 100% of the average wage of last 3 months. They will calculate the total wages of last 3 months and they will take an average of those 3 months. So they will pay monthly as 100% in case of permanent disability. Gosi medical professional examine the disability in intervals, like they will check in intervals, like after 1 year, after 2 years, they will visit the guy and they will see the medical report. Either this permanent disability going to be recovered or not. So this examine will last for 10 years to make this compensation permanent. After 10 years, if the Gosi professional they found that this disability will be permanent lasting, so they will make this compensation forever for the Saudi peoples. Next, unemployment benefits. If there is a Saudi guy and he lose his jobs, so Gosi is going to pay him as an unemployment benefit. What are the benefits? This is an optional benefit if a Saudi individual choose this option within 90 days of quitting his job. For suppose I am a Saudi guy, okay, I quit my last job and I did not apply for the Gosi unemployment benefits within 3 months. So Gosi will not pay me anything. I have to give them a notice that I am unemployed and I need this unemployment benefit. So then they will make you a maximum amount of 9,000 for the first 3 months. They will pay you, or after 3 months there will be a maximum amount. They will pay 7,500 riyals. An individual can only avail this compensation continuously for maximum of 1 year, like 12 months only. The next benefit, there is a benefit after death. If a Saudi guy is going to be dead while he was working, so there is a minimum of 345 and a maximum of 1,750, or the average wage of last 3 months. So this benefit will goes to his next of kin, like his mother, father, brother, sister. So they are going to get benefit of this. So in case if he is going to get retirement, so the same thing, the same amounts will be given to him as a retirement, as a pension every month. Now let's move ahead. What are the benefits for non-Saudis or expatriates living in Saudi Arabia? If there is an occupational hazard, Gosi makes 50% payment as per insurance claim and 3,500 maximum per month. Whatever the occupational hazard, the Gosi will only cover the 50% of that injury or that recovery. So the Gosi requires a prior medical report, which is mandatory to show that this guy got an accident while he was working. So there is an occupational hazard. So they will pay until they will see the report, prior medical report. Permanent disability benefit for non-Saudis. Gosi will liable to make 100% travel expenses to home country. They will not pay any monthly payment. They will repatriate that guy to his home country, giving him just 100% travel expenses only. Traffic accident benefits. Benefits will be same as per occupational hazard, but with the following conditions. If there is a traffic accident should be happen way back home from work. If the employee is going home from his work and accident happen, then the Gosi will liable to pay him the benefits or repatriate him and bear all expenses of travel. During work, to have food or going to mosque for prayer. If he is going to get lunch while he was on the work, and also if he is going to the mosque for prayer, if he is going to get an accident and injured or disabled, so the Gosi will going to recover this. Otherwise, if he is at home and got an accident, that is another case. That will not be covered by the Gosi. If there is a permanent disability benefit, permanent disability, Gosi will liable to make 100% travel expenses to the home country only. If there is a permanent disability, they will repatriate to the expatriate. If there is a retirement, there is only end of service benefits for the expatriate. Like if I am working in a company and the company will be liable to pay me end of service benefit, not the Gosi. So in case of retirement, also the Gosi is not going to pay anything to the expatriate.